You're watching Electrical Engineering Lectures channel. For more videos, please do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest notifications.
In this video tutorial, we are going to write a code in Arduino for blinking of an LED on pin 12 of Arduino UNO. And we will see the simulation working inside the Proteus. The first step is to create a new sketch file. You can go to the File button, click on New, and a new sketch file appears here. You have to save it with the name you want to. I'm going to save it as blink, as I'm going to use pin 12 for blinking. So I'm saving it here. As discussed in the last video, the first component of the sketch is the setup. So the things that we want to set up is initializing pin 12 as output. For this, we are going to use a command pin mod round brackets number of the digital pin you want to initialize and the mod you want to initialize this pin with. As in our case, it is output semicolon. Now inside the body of the loop, we have to write the code for blinking the LED. For this, we are going to use a command digital write round brackets number of the pin and the value that you want to write on it. We have to wait for 1 second. Use a built-in function of delay. This will create a delay of 1 second. Now to turn off the LED, we are again using the function digital write, and now we will turn it low. Wait for another second. And we are done with the code. Now you can verify your code for errors by clicking on the verify button. Since we have to upload the hex file in Proteus simulation, we also need to generate the compiled binary file by clicking Ctrl+Alt+S or selecting export compiled binary from these options. In the meanwhile, let us open Proteus. And make a circuit for Arduino UNO. You can simply find Arduino UNO in the components mode by writing Arduino UNO. Since we have already installed the libraries, it will now be appearing here and you can select it. I have connected an LED on pin 12 of the Arduino. The next step is to load the hex file. You have to double-click the microcontroller IC here and give path of the hex file from the folder of Arduino. Remember the name of the folder. Click on the hex file. Click OK, and now run the simulation. You will see the LED connected on pin 12 is now blinking. It is on for 1 second and off for another 1 second. And this keeps on happening unless the board is turned off. So this completes our first Arduino code for blinking of LED in Proteus simulation. Keep on following our channel for more learning experience and new projects.